Anigyee Kasee some nearby idea room Daughters of Glorious Jesus. One more day at all Ghana this year. Make a come abuna nesa preview or monton to more mobile for Neno Mankoye.
Daughters of Glorious Jesus mamifobia watunya menyom ewo mayi mu a omanfo nyina ate wonka na wode afutuo amaga na mabunu se wonhwe na bra no nyina no wonfa ayeyie nyom entontom nyankopon wo Bethel Methodist Youth wo kokommeremere no wonyom todwumadie bi ekoso a na wato din se ayeyie 2019 ena mamifo ekopia ase a wode saa ensam yi atudwa momye nkohwe se de dwumadie no esikoye Cynthia, Edna, and Afi Monica are one and were Daughters of Glorious Jesus no. A foot your way and on the Magana Mabunu.
A Yamiado. Near met to me a canon. A son say, and ya hoarding, and ye yansa, and ye nimidie. Even and yan nibia ye walk. Nemo near me can say a Yamiadom and a dear drew baby a ye drew no. See, Anka say ye yame cry near bread yame. Into near me can say a Yamiado.
Enye se Nigeria nyum no na ba ya na ya so nyum bia ba na se ye de ehye nkwan na se anase bia eye on se enyum ya de kasapa enti se ba na se ne wasem no ekwa em se usomu but em se this time ne ya pebrofo nyum no more achenchi no enti kakra meka no ba de meka nyina ne se esese ye nso ye de no ye somu.
Bible says, where 2 or 3 are gathered in his name, there he is. And those who were here this morning, you testify that the Lord was with us.